Meet the bacterial cell, tiny, tough, and alive. Now, let's explore the main parts of a bacterial cell one by one. Number 1, pili, tiny hair-like structures that help bacteria attach to surfaces and other cells. Number 2, capsule, a protective outer layer that shields the cell from harsh conditions. Number 3, cell wall, a strong covering that gives shape and support to the bacterial cell. Number 4, cell membrane, the thin boundary that controls what enters and exits the cell. Number 5, cytoplasm, the jelly-like fluid where all cell activities take place. Number 6, circular DNA, the main genetic material that carries instructions for the cell's functions. Number 7, ribosomes, small structures that make proteins needed for the cell's survival. Number 8, plasmid, extra DNA rings that provide special traits like resistance to antibiotics. Number 9, flagella, tail-like structures that help the bacteria move around. Bacteria are single-celled prokaryotic microorganisms. They can be found everywhere on the planet. The earliest bacteria may have appeared on Earth more than 3.5 billion years ago. The cytoplasm is the basis of a bacterium cell. It contains the genetic material, that is, the ring-shaped DNA. Unlike in eukaryotes, proteins are not attached to the DNA in prokaryotes. The cytoplasm is enclosed in the cell membrane. Bacteria have a cell wall. It is thick and rigid, and it is made from proteins and polysaccharides. It provides the cells with structural support and protection. Outside the cell wall is the capsule, which is made mainly from polysaccharides. It protects the cell and is responsible for causing some bacteria in the host organism. Some bacteria are capable of active locomotion through the use of their flagella. Bacteria have an exceptional ability to adapt and reproduce, and this is why they are both extremely widespread. They reproduce both asexually and sexual reproduction. If they reproduce through binary fission, which is a form of asexual reproduction, it results in a large number of individual bacteria cells. Bacteria come in a wide range of shapes, including spheres, rods, and spirals. Harmful bacteria, which are called pathogens, can occur as single cells or in pairs, chains or clusters. Many bacteria that produce sexually transmitted diseases are spherical. Gonorrhea is also caused by a spherical pathogen. One group of rod-shaped bacteria are called bacilli. These can be harmless, such as the lactobacilli used in the food industry. Many bacilli cause diseases, like the pathogens of plague, tuberculosis, salmonellosis, and tetanus. Escherichia coli, which is commonly found in the human intestinal system, is also a bacillus. Syphilis, Lyme disease, and leptospirosis are caused by spiral-shaped bacteria. Gram staining is a method of differentiating bacteria into two groups, i.e., gram-negative and gram-positive. The basis of differentiation is that staining produces different results in the cell walls of different types of bacteria due to their different structure. The two types of bacteria react to antibiotics differently, so treating different bacterial infections requires different antibiotics.